What's up guys, I'm going to be showing you 3 mobility hacks today to improve performance in your lower limb, your calves, as well as prevent injury in your knees and your ankles. So the average active person taking 10,000 steps a day, and if you're an athlete, you can pretty much multiply that by 2 on top of the fact that the force output you're putting into the ground with cutting and jumping and sprinting and that type of thing is much more intense on this particular system. We want to make sure that we're maintaining tissues down here in order to support function in our knee and our ankle and prevent injury from happening. So the very first area that we're going to target is the anterior tibialis right here with your first mobility hack, a lacrosse ball smash. So get a lacrosse ball. You can find any comfortable position. If you have tight hips, this might be where you stay. But what you're going to focus on is literally seesawing your leg into the ball and smashing that muscle. You might find some really tight, sticky spots. This is where you want to kind of focus your time. If you do find one of those spots, try rolling around your ankle, moving it side to side. That gets those muscles to activate. If you can, you want to get a 2-for-1. You can come into pigeon. Right here, do the same thing. We're just rolling that ball around however is comfortable for you. And by comfortable, I should say this is extremely uncomfortable. There's really no self-myofascial release. What we're doing here, self-massage, that doesn't make you want to throw up a little bit. The next one you'll need a foam roller for. This is called a calf bone saw. Not really the most glamorous of names, but how this will work is you'll get onto your shin here. The leg that is down is actually the one that we're going to be targeting. We're going to use our top leg here to smash our calf with our shin. So I'm just literally sawing my calf with my shin. If I sit back, the intensity is a little bit more. Just moving side to side here. You may be wondering, well, can I just turn over and use the foam roller like this as a way to release that area? And the answer is yes. However, the surface area of this versus your bone is obviously much larger, so you're not going to really target those tissues as well. The final mobilization I'm going to show you, you'll need a band, an elevated surface. I mean, everybody loves the calf stretch, right, where you're leaning up against the wall, but that's actually not a great way of mobilizing tissue. In the blog post attached to this, I explain why. So we're gonna just simply be stretching right here, pushing my knee forward, coming back as much as tolerable. This is an already restricted position, so range of motion isn't gonna be anything crazy. What I'm doing here is slowly incorporating a little bit more range with each bend of my knee to try to open up that ankle joint a little bit more. And those are your 3 mobility hacks. Make sure to please like and subscribe. See you guys later.